video Mona call Lolo, I know I just say for me. Too much of it is bad, Lolo. Since I did for this live video, I never talk to you. Lolo, I know I just said. I want you to, that your video where you offer me, get inside. Now Igbo man you marry. Go to talk to Igbo people. You know if you call the support party for those cyberspace when I did for here, Lolo. Let today be the first and last. I know say you get big platform. If it happen between me and you, you no go like me. Oh. This is not my kingdom. Person where they insult my kingdom, you support and now there you for come. Now there they for born you. I know say you don't come up for my kingdom. Now Igbo man you marry Lolo. But now we own the house. Now we be the Edo men. I don't do for this Edo cyberspace. I don't cry because of you. I dey see you since then. But this one we do this evening, Lolo. I say when I can't talk to you, may you get inside immediately. The one what I can't do when I dey talk to Okpa, I cannot reach like the one we dey do so now, Lolo. Lolo, I dey warn you. Not be say I can't pet you. I dey warn you now. Wetin concern Edo, kingdom, come out your mouth. You know fit tell her back say the way they misbehave when you get back from where you get big platform. You know fit tell her say the way they misbehave. You know fit correct her. Anytime where palace matter come, now so they behave, Lolo. Why are you so wicked? Why are you so hypocrite? Why are you so hypocrite, Lolo? I respect you so much. I didn't expect this one from you. From the kingdom you was brought up. For the kingdom you was brought up. You are telling people not to respect the tradition and custom, Lolo. Why are you like this? Why are you so wicked like this? Why are you so wicked like this? Before I come and come talk to you now, you know say it don't vex me, Lolo. You when I dey respect, now you dey disgrace yourself in the public, so Lolo. Ashawo na ashawo. Ashawo can never change. You see person when they disrespect my kingdom, you dey support and Lolo. You dey support and Lolo. Since then when they tell me say you be bad, since then when they tell me say you be bad person, and now I know say you be. Now I come study the watch you. You don't think when they complain to since me when they tell me since then say they support all those abatobase. What did they make you the supporter? What did they make you the support this evil child, the Lolo? For 9 years, I've been respecting this Edo Sabbath space. Why are you so hypocrite, Lolo? You say you go school, you will go school not for you educate your people. You will go school not for you educate your people, Lolo. You will say you go school. You will say you go school, Lolo. You don't think when they complain you to me. I don't cry because of you for this Edo Sabbath space. The love when I get for you. You see person when they support my Edo kingdom, you they support and Lolo. Why are you so hypocrite? But you never do bad thing for my eye before, but the one way they do since then because of this kingdom. I really know say that your husband they send you message because they're Igbo man. Because your husband are brafa. You want to misbehave with my kingdom, Lolo. You see the people where they destroy my kingdom. Our kingdom not be president, the control, not be governor. If they get anything politics, you need to educate them because you say you go school. Lolo, you say you go school, you need to educate this refrat. Why are you so hypocrite, Lolo? I never talk to you for those cyber space. Now my kingdom, now make me come talk to you so the way they support it. Now we be man, now we be woman. If you don't marry, una go. Today, you go on home. Hello. What?
Who get all of him? Oh, when I cannot below God, just I give Mula, I don't know so go when I knew. Oh, Diana. Okay, what Diana now can react? Okay, okay, they're not that different knowledge of Pedro. Eh? Okay, the way don't trade on your bed, you're taking on your journey, but all of us are taking on your journey. Only another the way you way. Okay, I'm taking on your journey. Only not the way. I'm back to all of us are taking me out to be on your journey. Nobody, you not say, no, be at this, a lot, no, we are my day, not yet.
Lolo, Abba go dey insult my kid don. Go dey insult our papa. You go dey support am for this evil acts. I didn't know say you be bad person. I never knew you are wicked like this, Lolo.
Many people now Guamani. Only to pay on a different year. You're my year school. Our normal year school way here. Our normal year school way here. But if you could hear about your bad banner.
Lolo, let me come again. I will not tolerate this with you. Mujani send a message again, Lolo now. Mujani send a message again. Mujani ni giungie because ni broken English giungie. Ni broken English giungie because you are becoming too worst. I respect you so much. I thought you are a better person in the society. I don't know you are a wayward somebody in the society. Since for 9 years, I don't cry for you for this and those about me. I respect you, but I don't play with my kid on Lolo. I know you go to school. The school I see you are irrelevant in the society. Share this with one and tag and come and talk to them. For me to come out because of my kid not to come and talk to you, you know you are getting it wrong. You are getting it wrong. I now knew you are a real evil person. When you for grow, what you not see before, since when you grow this like this. Now, what we can't do now is for you like this, Lolo. Now, what you can't do now make you not get sense again. I said today, it's not even when I did papa you because of this kid. I want just come talk to you today. I really see you are a wayward somebody in the society. So all those red frats where they drink, where they misbehave, you are one of them. They say Asha will not change, Lolo. Why? They say Asha will not feel change. I respect you so much. I thought you are a good person in the society. I don't know you are very wayward. I don't know you are very wayward. I don't know you are this type of person, Lolo. I don't know you are this type of person. Lolo, let me today be the first and last. I'm not your husband, but I'm from Benin Kingdom. So all the fans around the glue, Lolo fans, you people should talk to this stupid wayward woman. You people to talk to this stupid woman in the society, this Okbo Miliki. I don't play with my kid on Lolo. You did there. You are seeing it when Abat is insulting my kid on, and you are supporting Abat for this evil acts. Because of super chat. Because of super chat will Abat can't give you then they crease Lolo. Because they carry your papa has come out, and he can't give you super chat. That make you the craze for those Abat with Lolo. Now, person say me you not fix your papa house. Because of that one, now the crisis there. When they turn about they insult my papa, I didn't know you are relevant in the society. I didn't know you are irrelevant in the society. You are not a good person. I want to prove it to the world now. You are evil. I don't play with my kingdom. I respect people, but people that don't respect themselves, I show them my real color. I showed people that don't respect themselves, I show them my real color. You might be speaking English, that it doesn't concern me, but when I deal with you, you will know that it's me that deal with you. Lolo, I want to be first and last. You are not from Benin again, you are from Igbo land. You married to Igbo man. Anything that concerns Edo Kingdom, I don't want you to interfere into it again from to do else end. Lolo. I never see the way they curse Igbo people once. Lolo, let to this nonsense stop. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not ashamed of yourself? What do you think you are? What do you think? What do they count yourself for the society? You think you be better person? A wayward woman like you. You need to be ashamed of yourself every blessed day before you come on live video. You are supporting evil people that insult my kingdom. Because you are not a Benin woman. Because you are from Ishan. So you are so very wicked like this. You are very prolific like this. Please share the video for me. Share the video for me. I want one to go tag them for me. Those when it's a bit tag, I want one to go tag this a lot come for me. It be again why I tag him. I can cry because of my kingdom. I respect you so much, Lolo. I didn't expect this from you. I didn't expect this nonsense from you. You are real nonsense. You are on live video now. I say you when you're on live video before I came out. You are doing damages. And you know these people are already damaged. You want to try to do damage without your long marks. Without your cappy mat. Without your cappy mat. You want to do damage where the damages are already. I'll be watching you to talk to these people since then. To stop this nonsense, Lolo. You are doing damages because of cheeky change. Because of cheeky change, you want to use to pay mortgage. That's why you are doing this. Share the video, let it go viral for me. Hello, who is that?
Yes.
Hello. So, my Edo people, help me to share this video. Have you people seen me once I talk to this stupid woman in the society? And be respecting this woman. I don't know this woman is evil. If you don't know where you come from, go to Igbo land to go and be misbehaving, Lolo. I want you to get out of Edo Sabbath space to go to Igbo land. Because you, Monica, Okpeka, you people should get out of this Edo Sabbath space. You people are evil. You people are destroying. I want to prove it to the world now. You are, Lolo. I didn't expect. V, I'll be watching you since then. I'll be watching you since then. Anytime when Palace matter take on, the way they misbehave, I don't really like it. So I decided to talk to you today. I cannot be talking to people that do the same thing. I cannot talk to you. You are not feeding me. You have no thing that you are doing for me. So I decided to come. Your husband is laughing. If you not get shame, your husband is laughing you where you are from. You are carrying your people down every blessed day. Your husband is laughing you. You don't know Igbo people. If you know Igbo people, you're not supposed to do this in the presence of Igbo people, Lolo. I didn't see you are a tart. You only go to school. You only know how to read it. You only know how to speak English. You are a retard, Lolo. Why are you doing this? Why are you deceiving yourself? Why are you conning woman? You where they misbehave so. The time when your husband take to where they tell you to this date. Your husband get picking, get wife for house. If you never know, they tell you. Because of your waywardness, is that man is just pretending to use his name in that house. Mark today's date, Lolo. Mark today's date. He's just pretending to you. Well, Lolo, why are you doing this? What is your problem in the society? Your mother don't cause quarrel for me and people. Not be a dog keep our kid don't know. You know you can't say you know how to talk, Lolo. They not be government. Are you crazy? Are you mad? Where do you come from, Lolo? I want to ask, where do you come from, Lolo? I want to beg all your fans in the name of God and your family. Your sister did for Facebook. I want to beg all of them. They should take it inside and you should get inside immediately. I will not take it politely with you. This is your preamble to you now. This is your preamble to you. I'm not telling you for bottom of my heart. I'm not deceiving you. I'm not deceiving you. I'm not telling you for bottom of my heart. This is a preamble. This is your preamble. People that insult my kiddo, you cannot be supporting them. You want me to quiet. This is a preamble to you. This is a sound message to you. You that supposed to use a platform to educate others illiterates. You are using your platform to do evil. And be see everything that you are doing. The time when these people matter come, that man waiting for America, Johnson, I know the way you do. I don't want to talk to you. Maybe they don't say Atiti no girlfriend. So I want to tell you from bottom of my heart tonight. This is just a preamble. Sound message to you. I want you to get inside and remove your dirty mouth, your smelly mouth from my kingdom. I want you to remove your dirty mouth and your smelly mouth away from my kingdom. Anything that concerns my kingdom is not your business. You are already married to Igbo man. Go to Igbo cyberspace. I want you to go to that side immediately. You will not too like it when I come for you, eh? You will not too like it. If you don't like what you get, people they will like what they get. Our kingdom is our kingdom. So this is a preamble message to you. They have been telling me you are evil. I don't know. What you supposed to use your platform to do to educate all those illiterates? I mean, as you say, you are a graduate, and now the illiterate is more than you in the society. Are you not ashamed when we express those Sabbath space? Now you go to support useless Sabbaths. Abbat will come meet you for a Sabbath space. Now you go to support them because of evil. What will you? Because of super chat. Now they do all this one because I see they can't give you super chat. Go outside the thief. Go outside the thief. Go outside the thief for a money. Because of super chat where the Albert can't give you. Now you support them for the atrocity when they do for my papa land. So, I remember when Albert come to London, you are the person that warning him before because of super chat. You want to pay mortgage. I want to beg your fans, your brothers, and your family. Organic Nation. I don't want to offend you people. This is your preamble. This is your preamble. This is a sound message to Lolo Anua Joseph, the long map, the long clitoris. That your mouth way this man. I want to carry come for our kingdom. If your papa not train you well, he say you may go to Ashawo. If you want to go to Ashawo, go to Ashawo. Not but my kingdom, you cut to the land. If that old man where you put for house cannot talk to you, there are people who can talk to you. There are people who can talk to you. If your husband, that old man, Igbo man will get you the get wife for house cannot talk to you. I know say you dey beat your husband for that, you dey beat your husband for that. It's as you know the let and the talk. Because I dey see your body language, you will bring that man come out. I know say you dey beat him. So now, I can't give you preamble. So I don't want to go too far now. It's just a preamble message to you. I want you to get inside immediately. Lolo, Anu, and Joseph. I want you to get inside immediately. I want you to get inside and remove your dirty mouth, your stupid mouth away from my kingdom. I thought you go to school. I now know the illiterate in those aspects, they are more than you. You only know how to speak English. Just say absence, Lolo. You have to go back to school. You have to go back to school. I see you. You are a coward. You want to get money with my palace, supporting the people that are evil in the society, Lolo. For more than 9 years, I've respected you in the those urban space. I even cried because of you. But I cannot be seeing you supporting the evil that is up in my palace. I cannot see you and watch you and sit down and be watching you. So, I know I just say it's just a preamble. If you want us to continue it, I want you to do a straight video to me tomorrow. I want you to, if you want us to continue this journey that you want to start now, I want you to send me a good message tomorrow so that I will come for you. So all my people, Edo people around the globe, I want you to focus on Lolo. Any video that he do that interfere into the word of my kingdom, you people should cut it for me. Or if you talk to me, we could send the video for me. Since he say another is when I will talk to him. As a senior brother, as a father. Now I'm here for him. I'm here for him. I want to use you to replace Monica now. I want to use you to replace Okpaika. Because I now see you are a dirty woman in the society. You are an evil. My father said, he verbally. I didn't see you talk verbally in the society. I've been watching you since then. Anytime my stop making me. I will not beg me. Ugly woman like you. Come on social media be that will not get shit to a yansh. If your brother cannot talk to you, your husband cannot talk to you, that old man with the beat for his house, meet the new generation prophet Atiti. Anyhow I speak the broken English, people will understand me. It's a sad warning. I'm not joking with you. It's a preamble. Look at my face very well. Look at my face very well. You see my face? I know I just said. So, my people of Edo State, it's a preamble message to him. I don't want to go too far now. Share the video, let it go viral. I want a Lolo to get inside immediate effects. You are not. I want you not to. I don't want me to talk for palace matter again. You can do anything. You can do anything that you want to do. But anything that concerns my palace, remove your mouth. I beg your fans. I beg your fans, because I know so many people that they used to call me. They should warn you and talk to you immediately. They should put you in order immediately. I don't play with my kingdom. I don't play with my kingdom. If I should descend on you, it's going to be too bad. If I should descend on you, it's going to too bad. It's going to too bad. So because of that, I want you to shut up your dirty mouth against my kingdom and get inside immediately. It's a short message. It's a short message to you. Everybody, good night.